Now the LTD is part of the 5th year anniversary pack of Adidas, celebrating one of the best selling sneakers and most comfortable sneakers to take over the sneaker game. The difference between your regular 4.0 Ultra Boost and these LTD 4.0 is this tends to glow when the light hits it. As you can see right now in the light, you'll probably be able to see it light. The Primeknit on this is mixed with 3M, glow 3M. If you're outside and it's sunny, it'll tend to glow. It has a really nice natural color, which gives it 2 different colorways that you can rock it. You know, in the daylight, you have it glowing like this. And when the sun is out or when it's dark outside, you'll be able to get the full dark black shoes. The only other difference in this 4.0 than this particular shoe is the laces. The laces, they have yellow tips at the bottom. And as you guys can see, it has yellow Adidas right here, and the inside Boost is yellow. It's the same as all Boost shoes. The only difference in this is yellow, celebrating the yellow box. That's why it has yellow, because the box is yellow. Now I'm surprised that these shoes didn't come with a special edition box. They just came with a typical Ultra Boost box. But however, I don't really care about boxes, so that doesn't really matter to me. Now these shoes retail for $220. Comparing it to your regular Ultra Boost, which they range between $180 as the basic price, but I copped it from Adidas website at $135. Right now they have them $154, but they don't have a lot of sizes. Plus they had a coupon, so I was able to get for $130 free shipping. If you want to get you a pair of these, they do have them at StockX. You'll be able to get them between $135 to $150. You'll be paying a lot less than the retail price. Now, are these shoes worth it? Comparing it to a regular 4.0 shoes, in my opinion, for the right price, it is, because they are a little bit more comfortable than your regular 4.0s. Maybe that's just my opinion, because the Primeknit has the 3M, so it's a little bit tighter than your regular 4.0s. Now, of course, I'm comparing it from my triple black 4.0s. Enough with the talking, let's get these on feet and see how they look.